Hello. Okay, so me and Cheyenne was fangirling over Jaden's new video. It was, yeah, I fangirled really fucking long. Like, I fangirled so much that I lost my breath and I almost passed out. This video you have to see, okay? You have to go on Jaden's YouTube, JUN11, and go watch it right now. Like, you have to. It's I can't explain it. It's just amazing. Okay? So, go watch it. Stop this video. Go watch it right now. Did you stop it? I hope you did. Okay. Go. Go right now and watch Jaden's video. Okay? And I know I posted a video already, but I had to post this one because, yeah. Okay, bye.